Welcome again, English 101ers. Today we're going to talk about semicolons. And semicolons are those interesting little punctuation marks that look like a period on top and a comma on the bottom. Fun fact, semicolons are the most frequently misused punctuation mark in the English language. And what I usually recommend is that unless you absolutely need to use one, try not to use them too much because it usually means that we're joining together big ideas. And often simpler is better in academic papers. So there's 3 times that we use semicolons, and I'm going to show those to you now. The first time we use a semicolon is when we have 2 complete thoughts. For example, the 2 sentences that I used in the comma video was Mary likes ice cream, John likes froyo. 2 complete thoughts. In this case, we can combine them by simply putting in a semicolon. We don't have to use a coordinating conjunction. We aren't necessarily creating a comma splice or a run-on sentence, so long as we use that semicolon. Does it have to be used like that? No. The only time you'd use it that way is if there's something about the 2 sentences that you really want linked together. In this case, you're basically contrasting what Mary likes versus what John likes, and that is grammatically correct. The second time that you might use a semicolon is with what we call adverbial conjunctions. And those are words like therefore, however, moreover, consequently. And those are often used to combine 2 complete thoughts as well. For example, these same 2 sentences. Mary likes ice cream, John likes froyo. We could take out the period again, put in the semicolon, add the word however, put a comma after that adverbial conjunction. John likes froyo. And that then, let's make this a little clearer, and that then becomes a complete thought without being a run-on. Again, first complete thought, semicolon, coordinating, your adverbial conjunction, or what we sometimes call the conjunctive adverb, comma, second complete thought. That is the second way that you would use a semicolon. The third way is something that you will probably rarely, if ever, see in writing. It's so complex that it is a way of writing, but it's not done very often because there's too much confusion that will come from it. But this is how it looks. So here's a very long sentence. On vacation, we ate pancakes, eggs, and juice for breakfast, hot dogs, French fries, and soda for lunch, and pizza salad, and milk for dinner. You can already see the problem that we're having without having commas in there. So let's start putting those commas in. On vacation, we ate pancakes, eggs, and juice for breakfast, hot dogs, French fries, and soda for lunch, and pizza, salad, and milk for dinner. Okay, we've got some commas in there, so we're giving you pauses as the reader. But there's a better way to do it, and that would be to take out between the complete ideas and add your semicolons. And when you do that, what you essentially do is you say pause, 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 reflect before going on. Pause, pause and reflect before going on. Pause, end of your sentence. And what that does is it gives the readers a little bit of time between the complete ideas so they don't run all the different meals together. There is a PowerPoint below that shows you how to use semicolons as well, and then an exercise that you'll complete for points.